In a forgotten village, whispers spoke of the moonlit beetles, insects that danced under the full moon. These beetles, it was said, were the secret keepers of the forest, ensuring the survival of rare flowers. One night, a curious botanist ventured into the woods, drawn by the legend. As the moonlight bathed the forest, the beetles emerged, their wings shimmering like silver. The botanist watched in awe as the flowers bloomed, revealing a hidden message in their petals. With a twist, the message was a warning: protect us or face the wrath of nature.